Hello everyone, let's find out the IUPAC name that is unrealistic. I am responding somewhat early to this question because the amount of students that picked incorrect answer for this question certainly concerns me, and that's why I am responding in an earlier manner. Now, is 3,3 dimethyl but 19 is possible? Yes, it is possible. So let me write the structure. We have a 4 carbon chain, and then at the first place we have the triple bond, and then at third place we have 2 methyl groups. And now let's fill hydrogens at other places in order to satisfy the valency of carbon, that is 4. So everything seems to be fine here. Therefore this name is okay, nothing unrealistic here. And then number 2, we have 4 methyl pent-2-ine. Let's write the 5 carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At fourth position we have a methyl group, and then at second position we have the triple bond. Let's fill hydrogens at remaining positions. So CH3 here, one more hydrogen here, and then 3 hydrogens here. Everything seems to be okay here. Therefore this is also realistic, but that is not our correct answer. Now let me remove this, and then number 3, we have 3 methyl pent-19. Once again the root word is pent, so let's make a 5 carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At one position we have the triple bond, at third position we have the methyl group. Let's fill hydrogens at the remaining positions. So therefore we can put one more hydrogen at the third place, 2 hydrogens at the fourth place, and 3 hydrogens at the fifth place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything seems to be okay here. Therefore this is also realistic. And now let's come to the last one, 2 methyl pent-19. Once again the root word is pent. Therefore let's make a 5 carbon chain. Second position methyl group, first position triple bond. Can we draw a structure like this? No, we are making 5 bonds here for this carbon, isn't it? We can fill hydrogens at remaining positions. That's not an issue. The issue is we are having 5 bonds to carbon, isn't it? For this particular carbon we are having 5 bonds. Can we increase the valency of carbon from 4 to 5? No, we cannot do that. So therefore that is unrealistic, which means option 4 is correct. Now let me show the quiz results. Unfortunately only 2 students out of 18 picked the correct answer. Many of them thought that 3,3 dimethyl but-19 is not possible. I don't understand why. And some of them thought that 4 methyl pent-2-ine is also not possible, that is unrealistic. That also I don't understand. If you have serious problem in converting the IUPAC name to structure, then as I mentioned before, organic chemistry will be very tough to you. Organic chemistry is not the subject that you should mug up. Organic chemistry is a subject that you need to understand. If you mug up, you will be busted. Therefore organic chemistry is something that constantly requires collection of thoughts. So if you don't have collection of thoughts on a constant basis, then you would perform poorly in organic chemistry. So what I suggest is learn bond line notation. This is something I am telling only for these students. Learn bond line notation. Understand chemical bonding. Understanding hybridization is very important. If you master these 2 subjects, like how to write name to structure in bond line notation or structure to name. So IUPAC nomenclature you need to learn, bond line notation you need to learn, hybridization you must understand. If we do these three things correctly, then you would improve definitely for sure in organic chemistry.